Alright, you guys, so I'm all ready to go. I have my pants on like just a cardboard moving box, so that the paint doesn't accidentally get on the floor. My fabric paints end up coming in from Amazon. So this is what I'm going to be using. My gems from Amazon ended up coming. I really do like them. They are like different shapes, the different colors. So I'm excited. I bought just some little cheap paint brushes from Walmart, nothing fancy. I ended up buying 2 pair of pants actually. So, you know, one to wear to work, and then I think I might do one to wear like later on that night for the actual, you know, for the actual event. But yeah, I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by just drawing on the pants the little design that I want to do, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is the basic design that I have, and I just drew on it with a pen. So what I'm going to do right now is go over it with black, and then I'm just going to follow the lines with each color. And hopefully it turns out cute, y'all. Hopefully it turns out cute. Alright, you guys, this is what it's looking like with the black done. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the red next. You know, the same color of the rainbow order. I'm just going to go ahead and follow it, and then I'll be back. Alright, this is what it's looking like right now. And I'm going to take a break, and I just realized that the fabric paint set that I got did not come with purple, so I'm gonna have to make purple. It's got magenta, y'all, magenta, but no purple. So I'm about to take a quick little food break, and I have a heater right here. That way it can dry up the colors really quickly, and then I'll be right back. All right, this is what it's looking like. I have to go upstairs and make the purple. But so far, this is what the pants is looking like, you guys. I love it. And then I done already came to the conclusion I'm not going to use those rhinestones for these pants. I think that would be too much, but I am going to use those on my second pair. So for these, I'm just going to use my Hot Fix tool and add on some AB rhinestones. And then my daughter did her some little capri pants too. She's about to heat set it and throw them in the wash. Alright, you guys, so I'm all done with my colors, and I am getting ready to just go ahead and apply rhinestones just randomly on the pants, y'all. I'm so ready to be done with this project. Y'all, it's been like 6 hours. 6 hours. Is it worth it? I don't know. I hope. Alright, you guys, I am finally finished. This took me forever, but you guys, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm about to try them on real quick so you guys can see, because let me tell y'all, this bling is like blingy.